Midday News is brought to you by Dogra Chemist. Get 15 to 60% discount on all medicines and surgical items. Visit Dogra Chemist, Airport Road, Jammu.
Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Tuesday said violence has no place in any civilized society and peaceful coexistence is the best means to resolve the problems, urging religious heads to spread the message of peace and harmony among the new generation. The Lieutenant Governor was speaking during the confluence of the religious leaders in Kashmir conference at SKICC Srinagar. The day-long conference witnessed participation of around 550 religious heads including Maulvis and Muftis.
और ये जम्मू कश्मीर के इतिहास में मैं मानता हूं कि एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगा। मैं आप सभी का इस्तकबाल करता हूं और ये कहना चाहता हूं कि अगर हमारे घर में समाज में कोई समस्या है तो मुझे लगता है कि उसे मिल बैठ करके हम तय कर सकते हैं।
Congress leaders needs to stand up for the challenges being faced by the country and look into the problems of the people instead of staying at their homes, National Conference leader Farooq Abdullah said on Tuesday. Speaking at a Jammu and Kashmir National Panther Party function in Jammu, he also said the Congress has become weak, pointing towards Bhim Singh and his nephew JKNPP chairman Harshdev Singh. The NC leader said that it is sure that these lions will stand up to the challenges posed by the division forces, but added that the Congress, which is the national level party, has become weak. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Tuesday reviewed the progress of the Srinagar Smart City project and directed the officials that it is completed in the time. During the meeting, he discussed the modalities to make the project more sustainable and eco-friendly. The Lieutenant Governor called for taking comprehensive measures to restore the aesthetic value of the Jhelum River, besides developing a sustainable environment and urban infrastructure. Reeling under a second surge of the pandemic, India will expand on the COVID-19 vaccination coverage to include 45 plus people from April 1st. This is the third priority group of the government has declared for the inoculation since the vaccination in India began on January 16th. Information Minister Prakash Javadekar made the announcement on Tuesday, saying everyone who is above 45 years will be eligible for the shot from 1st April.
1st of April, anybody who is over 45 age will get vaccination even though he has no comorbidities.
Senior AICC leader and in charge J&K affairs of the party, Rajni Patel, has said that the people of the country are fed up and feeling harassed with the tax terror of Modi government. While addressing the Congress rallies at the Kathua and Samba towns on Tuesday against the price rising unemployment and seeking restoration of statehood today, AICC leader said BJP's economic policies have proved failure, leading to the worst ever economic situation and lowest ever growth in the country. It has led to the unprecedented price rise of all commodities. She said people of the country are feeling harassed by the imposition of heavy taxes by the Modi government.
और दूसरी बात, किसानों के जो बलिदान चढ़ा, आज शहादत का दिन है और किसान 200 से ज़्यादा किसान हमारे मर गए हैं। सुरक्षा के लिए हमारे जो सुरक्षा कर्मचारी है वो भी मर गए हैं और मुझे लगता है कि हर कोई दुखी है। जो वायदा किया था भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कि हम अच्छे दिन लाएंगे, हम तो बोल रहे हैं कि कोई लौटा दे मेरे बीते हुए दिन।
The COVID-19 tally in Jammu and Kashmir rose to 1,28,679 on Tuesday with 157 new cases, including 41 travellers, even as 2 new fatalities due to the virus were reported in the past 24 hours. Of the fresh cases, 54 were reported from Jammu Division and 105 from the Kashmir Division of the Union Territory. Srinagar district recorded the highest of 56 cases, including 25 travellers, followed by 39 in Jammu district. While 6 districts did not report any fresh case, 10 other districts had cases in the single digit. Number of active cases, which has been rising steadily over the past week, has now reached 1,410 in the Union Territory, while 1,25,443 patients have recovered so far. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Tuesday said BJP's manifesto for the Assam Assembly polls focuses on the inclusive growth of the state and its security and development cultural identity. He also said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, consistent and diligent efforts were made to pull off Assam from a long nightmare of insurgency and violence in which previous Congress governments had thrown the state. He said Assam is a gateway to northeastern and therefore it would play a leading role in the future growth of India. The Commissioner Secretary, Agriculture Production and Farmer Welfare Department, Naveen Chaudhary, who is also the President of the Rowing Association, held an interaction with the members of the Water Sports India team who were preparing for the upcoming Asian qualifier for Olympics 2021. Speaking on the occasion, Chaudhary asked the players to become their own ambassadors and inform people in the respective states about the peaceful atmosphere in J&K. He assured players that watersheds shall be created in Naijin, Srinagar, Manasbal, Gandarbal and at the Ranjit Dam in Jammu to enhance infrastructure of the water sports.
इनको दिक्कत क्या थी? इनके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं था, इनके पास मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे जिससे आप ओलंपिक लेवल की तैयारियां कर सकते हैं, नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लेवल की तैयारियां कर सकते हैं। आज के दिन में हमने वो कमी पूरी कर दी है।
Principal Secretary Power Development Department Rohit Kansal on Tuesday chaired a high-level meeting to review the performance of the power projects in Jammu and Kashmir and preparations to be made for ensuring regular supply to the consumers during the coming season in the summer in Jammu division. The meeting also held deliberations on the roadmaps to be made for the proposing regulations power supply to all in J&K by 2025. He reiterated the Lieutenant Governor's direction that the power transformers damaged would need to be replaced within 24 hours in case of urban areas and 48 hours in case of rural.